Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. Shout out to everybody who subscribed to my channel, liked my videos, commented on my videos, and most of all shared my videos. Big up on yourself. One love. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video, or you can pause the video, run go subscribe and come back to the video so you don't forget. Guys, please note that I will be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing. A massive shout out to all my clients in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. Me a talk about people who travel from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me. Yes, me feel blessed. And to all the clients who travel from other countries to start their hair journey with me, big up on yourself when you don't know all the things set and the things set good and proper. Because if the thing never set good and proper, you know, when you jump on plane and come so far just to start your hair journey with me, bless up on yourself. One love. So this is one of my very loyal clients from day one. Big up yourself, D-Caps. A lot of you might see him on my Instagram, so you're familiar with his hair journey. So for those of you who have seen him on my Instagram or on my YouTube, you guys know that the hair growth is real and it is extraordinary indeed. For those of you who haven't seen any of the previous video that I posted with this client, I will leave the link below to his previous videos so you guys can go and check that out afterwards. But to cut long story short, this client started his hair journey with me when his hair was very short and there was a lot of shedding and thinning around the crown. But here we are a year later, we've come a very long way. So guys, the proof is there and it is documented that my Speechless Hair Growth products are extraordinary and they continue to provide extraordinary results. You've not only seen proof on my husband's hair journey, but you've also seen plenty of proof from my client's hair journey. So if you would like to purchase my Speechless Hair Growth blend, please visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and my full Speechless range will be available for you guys to purchase soon. Guys, you can now book a one-to-one consultation. If you need any hair care tips or advice, email speechlesshaircare@gmail.com. If you like this video, please press like because I like it, and share it because sharing is caring, and comment your thoughts. Even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear your thoughts and views on this tutorial. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to keep up with my clients' hair growth journey and my hairstyles and things. And don't forget guys that I will be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing.